our lives.
Don't do it! Don't do it! Joel! Joel, don't do it!
I'm hysterical.
Historical? Is it historical?
Hysterical.
Oh, sorry.
Right, I better get some of this ready, I guess.
Oh god, there's a third plastic bag.
That's the Russian stuff.
What are we going to find inside? This is the
I think Thomas is fed up with
This is
speed,
the word
the manual dexterity being not what it should be.
It's coming from
there
space.
it
Oh.
Oh, and there's a bucket as well. We have a bucket.
Should we?
And some exam papers.
Yeah. Put it up. Put it up.
There's a hole in your bucket, Thomas.
There's like ash and crystals.
Wait.
Right, well, you're going to have to lift that white thing out.
Yeah.
You have to lift that white
you
thing
can
out.
see it.
Okay.
Don't bring that finger,
No,
whatever.
but do you want to take the thing off?
The bucket.
No, the.
Oh, he wants to get rid of all the
Alright,
rubbish. Make sure put the rubbish in your cucumber, just in case the rubbish has got rubbish in it.
So.
We've got to lift the white thing, we're not going to get
And don't get too close to it. So when you.
Oh, it looks nasty.
Oh, there it is. There's the bottle. There's the effect. It's like it's like a radioactive. It's like Fukushima. Yeah, just put that somewhere on there. Put the downside. No, not in there. You're going to use that. Oh, well, that's what we're going to put. Put that inside. Right, bring it out. Oh, there it is. Put it on the tray. Right, now we know. This is it's like radioactivity. Isn't it? It's like, is there anything? Wait a minute. Check inside. See if there's anything. No, check
Why is it wobbling? Should it be? It's just
There's a lot of
crystals.
I like the look of that. Do you like the look of that?
No, should we do it?
No, that's fine. No, it's that. There's nothing there that's painful. No, those are just dehydrated crystals. They are silicon dioxide.
Okay.
Right, because SiO2, as you know, absorbs water. So it's a good desiccator. Right.
Yeah, okay.
Right.
I think you
You've got to
need
get the lid off.
I think you need to get a move on before the water
Well,
starts.
yeah, get the lid off.
Get the.
If you can. Now the problem's going to be, as it forms the compound. Actually, I hope it is silicon.
Oh, it's not solid at all. It's
Silicon
like white.
tetrachloride.
What's not solid?
The bottle.
Bottle.
It's
Yeah, turn it around, see if we can see any names on it. Does it say
Silicon
no, it is the right one. It's not solid.
It's going to break on the mic because.
Well, it's supposed to be glass.
Glass?
It's supposed to be glass. Has it got soft?
Yeah, it's going to soft.
It is
Oh
glass.
yeah, it is soft. That's why it's soft. Look at my finger.
What, soft glass? Go
Oh,
on, pass me the left hand glove. I don't want the right hand glove.
There's a hole in there.
Why are we
Now, you know what the problem is, don't you?
It's going to smash everywhere.
Yeah, when it goes everywhere, the problem's going to be? No, not that, because you're going to keep this down and keep it out of your way. As soon as it's exposed to air,
It's going to start to make
and
HCl.
normally we expose it to air only through the top. The surface area of exposure is small.
Yeah.
You're going to expose it massively.
Oh,
But
right.
what's it going to do?
HCl, make HCl.
It's going to go loony tune. Right, so
I think I'll put the water up. No,
Looney
wait.
Tunes. Yeah, what I
Which
suggest
one
you do, let's
first?
get this ready. Yeah, get this ready.
Right.
Yeah, the big one first.
Big one.
Oh, in fact, yeah, what a great
So
idea
try to open
is
it.
to, well, no,
Should
let's
we fill
think
the
about
tray
this.
with
No,
sodium
because
hydroxide?
if you do that, and the reaction is so violent, what's going to happen?
Spread out.
As it comes out, it will explode. Yeah. So what we've got to do is get it into that tray, and then we'll have to treat it a bit. You see, we need to do it a bit at a time, really, don't we?
Yeah.
If the whole lot comes out, we're in trouble. In fact, I'm ready to run. We'll leave somebody else with the problem. Well, I forgot, I've got a meeting as well. We're too late now, we've got to do this.
Yeah, come on.
Right, do we open it?
Right, take the lid off. Go on, put your hand there.
Be careful, don't squeeze it too tight. You see, I don't think the lid will come off. Is it coming off, Charles?
No, it's not.
No, you see, the lid, the product, which is silicon oxide, and the yellow is a silicon oxide chloride, seals it.
It's moving.
It seals
It's
it.
not. It's not.
No, it's not.
Fingers are moving on it like
It's
this.
moving, not the lid.
No, it's not.
So I don't think the lid will come off. So what we've got to do is break it. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh!
Make a little hole in it.
Make a little hole in it. What a grand idea that is. Limit the exposure. What, with a spatula?
Why not?
Is that the best you can
No,
do? You need something with a, short dagging effect.
Get some metal.
Short dagger. A compass is ideal, isn't it? Have You got a compass in your bag here?
Not only the
Right. Oh, spatula. Spatula.
big one.
Not spatula. Line. Scalpel.
Oh my god.
Go on, smash a hole in it.
Yeah, but no, keep getting the fuel covers right down there. So only you suffer if anyone's going to suffer.
Put it near the top.
Should I do it here?
No, pick where you felt it to be really soft. Oh yeah, you're right. Higher up the better. Higher up the better. But where it's really soft. Yeah, it looks no. Don't push the thing upwards, right, because that'll go through your finger. That's it. I can't believe it's done this to the glass. You know, silicon fluoride does this because fluoride corrodes glass. It's coming. It's coming.
Oh, it looks, there's an hard...
Oh, so we are into the glass. So that must have just formed a layer on the outside. Yeah?
It's like a plastic layer.
Plastic. What a strange thing has happened to this.
Oh, I've opened it. No,
It's not. It's
you must have been a double
Is it
layer.
glass underneath?
Yes. That's why it was soft.
Right, okay. So try and pull out with your fingers now, rather than with a spatula, because you'll go and cut yourself. I can see. He'll cut himself. Get the fingers in front of you, or get the...
It's completely safe, you can put your hands in it.
No, yeah, you can, yeah, but only with gloves on, just in case. Aha.
Okay.
So the glass is still alright then,
Bring
isn't
the
it?
computer and it's better.
Yeah. So I'll tell you what we'll have to do then. We're going to have to be smart with this. It's that plastic layer that seems to have sealed it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because that plastic layer shouldn't be there. It's illegal. Yeah.
Well, it's liquid inside.
Yeah, and that's the dangerous liquid. You can see it now clearly. And do you know what I normally say to you as chemists? The word you're using is hazardous, because hazardous is controllable. This is dangerous.
As opposed to illegal.
It's definitely illegal.
So look what it's done. I've never seen you do that before.
It's created
No,
like
I
a
think
layer
it
of...
was-
created its
No, I don't
own
think it was
plastic
like
layer.
that before.
No, it wasn't. I can tell you it wasn't, because I've used it.
We're breaking into a bottle of
It's
silicon
created its
fluoride.
own plastic layer. Which of course has now been banned in schools, so
Really?
yes. But we have to, but mind you, this is all going on film, so I've got to be a bit careful. This is really not a legal operation.
We'll just
at
get
all.
Mrs. Glass on the camera, there she
Yes, to
is.
show that she's complicit as well.
Do I need to open the whole thing? The whole plastic?
Yeah, you do, because what you're trying to do is to...
Mr. Feld, shall I go away and come back? Or did you basically say everything?
No, what you're going to do now, you've got to be really
I've
smart.
got somebody
This could either be
expecting
very smart or very stupid.
Right.
Yeah? We are now going to try and clear away the stuff from the top, because the oxide chlorides of silicon will react with water. So if
You're going to douse
we're going to douse it in sodium hydroxide. Weak sodium hydroxide, indeed. So we need to get put it upside down in a beaker. Now, if it goes wrong, it's going to explode. Therefore, we will go for lunch. We will go for lunch while it's doing it. So if it does explode, there'll be nobody in the lab. I shall lock the door.
Wait, did you actually need to say anything more to me?
No, yeah, there was one more thing.
Well, you can
I can't remember it.
I've just got someone meeting.
So,
Where's the big beak, isn't it?
you've got the ball. You've got to be together. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
Just to make sure that we're happy.
Yeah.
Just a few minutes.
Yeah.
Just look
Yeah,
at some of
okay,
this.
all right. I mean, I'm still busting into the road by next week. Can't do that, or is it
Yeah,
about-
sure.
Oh yeah, it's formed a layer on it.
Yeah, I know that. It's not time
To be happy.
Oh, when I come back, I'll go for it. It's urgent on my side.
Okay, all right. I've got a couple of periods and then
I'm having an issue with the page. It's the one that teaches grade. Go, sorry.
have you still not?
Oh no, I've sent a draft of the
Sent
letter.
plastic.
Great.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
The question is on the bottom, why you couldn't such the report's very clear. That's the.
Are we sure the plastic wasn't there?
Well, let's have a look what you're doing.
Plastic must have been.
The plastic must have been there.
All right,
It
okay.
sounded like effervescence, but it's
No, it's not. Right, now, beaker with sodium hydroxide in. We're going to
Well,
put this in
I-
upside down. We're going to put this in upside down and then leave it. Right, so whack it in the tray. Elevate the tray on top of the bucket. So if it does go, it'll hit the screen.
Let me move the bucket over.
And then make sure it's stable. And then just note, you've just got to tip that upside down in there. Just place it upside down.
Oh, right.
And we're just going to see if we can get rid of the layers. If not, I'll show you another way, which is very, very dangerous. Now, over lunch, if you want to look straight away, there's bubbles on the seal of the form, where the yellow is. Now, in theory, it should loosen it. It should loosen it, but it's still sealed. So it shouldn't be able to get inside violently. If it does, you run the risk of a major explosion because of the pressure. If the water gets inside where the SiCl4 is, the pressure that will build up will be phenomenal. Yeah, and the glass will be like a bomb net. So we'll leave that over lunch. I'll lock all the lab up so nobody can come in here, and then come back to me at about 1 to 2, and we'll just check it out.
It's good we go through this.
The other method that you use, it's a chemist's method, but it's awful. Yeah.
Whichever you can be.
You bash the lid
Just smash
on the side of something. Yeah. No, that often loosens.